Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see a journey of an exciting player and a surprise package in the senior Indian cricket team. As we all know that All India Senior Selection Committee has selected a 20-member squad for the World Test Championship final which is going to held in Southampton. That is Ageas Bowl and followed by few tests against England at Lords. There are many match winners in the squad like Rishabh Pant, Ravindra Jadeja, Shubman Gill, Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Shami and Mohammad Siraj who performed really well in Australian tour. BCCI have also announced few standby players. They are Abhimanyu Ishwaran, Avesh Khan who had a fantastic IPL this season, Prasidh Krishna and Arzan Nagwaswala. Among these four standby players, one player caught everyone by surprise and also surprised himself. He is Arzan Nagwaswala, a 23-year-old left-arm pacer from Gujarat, has selected for the Indian team as a standby player for World Test Championship final and also tests against England. He played under the captaincy of Parthiv Patel for Gujarat state team. He has played only 3 domestic seasons until now. He has taken as a net bowler by Mumbai Indians in this season's IPL, but unfortunately the season got suspended due to the pandemic. From being a net bowler in a champion team with all the champion players and to get a place in the Indian team in a very short period of time in his cricketing career, it's a great thing and a great boost of confidence for him. To come into the radar of Indian team within a short span of time, this is not at all easy in this competitive sport. But his talent, his skill and his consistent performances in the domestic circuit made it possible. His bowling idol is Zaheer Khan, who is also a legendary left-arm bowler that India have ever produced. Now let's see some of his stats in the domestic circuit. If you look at the batting averages, the numbers are not so impressive because the lower order batsmen won't get many opportunities to showcase their skills in the domestic circuit. But his bowling averages and economy is very impressive. He made his first class debut and listed debut against Baroda and Rajasthan in the year 2018. He made his T20 debut against Tamil Nadu in the year 2019. In his first class career, he picked up 62 wickets at an average of 22.53. In Vijay Hazare Trophy as well, he picked up 19 wickets at an average of 13.94. In Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy, he picked up his career best, that is 6 for 19 at an economy of 5.42. Now let's see a glimpse of his bowling. If you observe in his 5-wicket haul versus Punjab, the length was the key here. His length was very full. He is making the batsmen to drive at those deliveries. That's where you get the edges and that's where you get the LBW shouts. The most important thing is, if you are a swing bowler, the length should be either full length or a good length. That's where you get the maximum results. This is great bowling from Arzan Nagwaswala. Great effort and he got the reward. Here is wishing him all the best for the England series. Another interesting fact about Arzan Nagwaswala is he is only the second player after Farooq Engineer to represent India from a Parsi community. So Farooq Engineer played first class cricket for Bombay in India from 1959 to 1975 and he also played for Lancashire, England from 1969 to 1976. Wow, that's a great stat from Nagwaswala. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Hope you like it. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon for my video notifications. See you in the next video. Until then, this is Suraj signing off.